Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the off-on button in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver, a big flat blade screwdriver, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new off-on button. The off-on button is located on the left side of the control panel. By depressing this button, the power to the dishwasher's control board turns on and off. The main reason why the off-on button would need to be replaced is if it breaks, making it difficult to turn the dishwasher on and off. To get at the part, we need to open the door. So we're going to take out 6 screws on the top, and that's Torx 20. I'm using a Torx 20 screwdriver. Those 6 screws are a little longer than the 3 screws that holds the panel. So now I'm going to lift up the door, and I'm going to pull off the control panel. Okay, now we're going to disconnect the this plug. There's a, as you can see, a little tab here. I'm going to put and remove the plug. Then we move to this side. All right, so I'm going to lift this tab, pull the plug out, and press down on this tab and free the harness. So now I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to press on that locking tab here at the bottom and disconnect this plug from the control board. Slide the harness out. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver to open those 2 tabs so we can remove that plug. Alright, so I'm going to place this control panel on the table, and we are going to proceed with disassembling. I'm going to use a small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press down on that tab and remove the plug. So the next thing would be using the same small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to flip this tab carefully, don't break it. And then we're going to lift this bracket off. And again, the same small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to lift this tab. Careful, don't break it off. And slide that switch forward and take it out. And now we can push at the bottom on this button and it will be removed easily. This is the old off-on button next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So now we're going to drop in the new button and slide it under those 2 guides here, and we're going to drop it in. I'm going to hold it from underneath with my finger, so this tab will go into this opening. So the button is in. I'm going to turn it over, check it. It's perfectly in. So we're going to put the switch back in. The rails here on the side, I'm going to interlock with this 4 tabs. So don't rush. Need to place it on. And then slide it back. Clicks. It locked. Next we're going to put this gray bracket on. Slide it here first. push down, it locks on this side, and it locked on this side. And now we're going to connect this plug. It's ready to be installed. Now we're going to connect the wire harness and all the plugs. I'm going to start with one that goes to the user interface control board. Slide it in, locks. Then I'm going to run the harness through this retainer. And I'm going to run the harness, yellow harness, and this retainer. Okay, then we go with the red one. And in this little channel, and now we're gonna lock this one in. Slide it in, tabs will click, and it's locked. And now we're going to plug this in. Now we'll go to the opposite side of the control panel, and I'm going to plug in this one. We've got 6 slots on the outer door panel, and we got 6 tabs on the control panel here. So they're going to have to match. Gonna open the door and install the control panel. Okay, and now we're gonna secure it with the screws. And place one, tighten it with the Torx 20 screwdriver, and now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.